We definitely have evolved quite a bit from the original days of numerical control in manufacturing when motors were just added to give machines a new ability to regulate the actual specifications without a human doing it. And automation is the future of manufacturing, and it's coming to CNC. That's AI. Employing robot arms to eliminate manual inserting of raw material and removing of finished parts. They call it the load and go system. Dual palates, an automatic pallet changer that can actually be changed and staged while one area is currently working. There are a lot of other things happening. Stay tuned.